今日はもうこんな格好お掃除デイです。Good morning guys. Today is my third day trying to get this Airbnb all together and today is the day I'm going to be cleaning this whole entire apartment. Gloves for cleaning. Okay, I need to go get my 長靴 boots. Oh, look, a squirrel! Oh my gosh! Great timing! Look, look, look! He's so small! Oh no, he's a fast dude! Hey! Hey, hey! I hope there aren't any like big bug buddies in my boots. But now I don't care 'cause you took my scars, bruises and broken. Okay, we're back. Now we're going to start cleaning. Show me how to heal and now I don't feel broken anymore. Your smell wrapped in my bed sheets. Don't wanna wash it away. I know sometimes I get too caught up in all of the wrong things, but you're always there to guide me. I used to be afraid to fall in love. I was picking the corner now and I can see that there's like a little sticker here. Also on this corner I found out that it's like wood underneath here and I was going to change all the handles for this kitchen anyways, and while I was thinking about this I was like could I take off all of the doors and then maybe sand them down so that they will look woodish and then maybe I can stain them or paint them. I don't know, but I was thinking of taking off maybe one of the drawers and then challenging myself. How do you guys think? Okay, so caught up in the bed, but you showed me how to heal. カナタ君に電話して聞いたらペンキの開け方を教えてくれました。I don't know if the paint is actually going to stick on the material that I have right now, so I'm going to figure that out by painting a few times on it, and I hope it really works because it's gonna be broken anymore. So, fingers crossed. Numbed all the pain. Show me how to heal, and now I don't feel ha! Shiny! Yatta!実はキッチンの下の部分
ここがすごい鏡だし、なんか汚くてちょっとね、なんか置きたいなと思ったんですよ。でその時に余ってる床のタイル材料みたいなのがあるのを思い出して、それを下に引いたらどうかなと思って、ちょっとかっこいいんじゃないかなと思って、これがこの石調のやつが2枚だけあったの。だからちょっとこれをなんかもう決まりみたいな気持ちになっちゃったんで、もうこれを切ってそこにはめて今日は一日を終えたいと思います。切れた切れたぞ。じゃあフィッティング正規の瞬間です。ぴったりなんだけど、ちょっと待って、超ぴったりなんだけど、職人じゃね？やったー、超嬉しいんだけど、こういう感じめっちゃおしゃじゃない？というわけでお疲れ様です。今日はここまでといたします。明日は、おばあちゃんとお家のお掃除なので、明日は、ブラインドとかのオーダーメイドを全部やってきます。はい、今日もお疲れ様でした。というわけでまた明日、バイバイ。